Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a C program to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So here, as you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter two numbers. That's why in our program, to store these two numbers, we need to create two variables of integer type, and those two variables will be, let us say, n1 and n2, and we will be getting the output like GCD of 24 and 30 is 6. Okay, and to store this value of 6, we need to create one more variable, GCD. Okay, next, these are our two numbers, 24 and 30. So here I have written down the numbers with which I can completely divide the number 24. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24, and these are the numbers with which I can completely divide the number 30. Okay, now out of these two sets, what are the numbers which are common in both the sets? 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6. Okay, that means these are the four common numbers present in both the sets with which I can divide both of these numbers. Okay, next, out of these four common numbers, which is the greatest number? Yes, 6 is the greatest number. So that 6 will be our GCD for these two numbers. Okay, so the approach which we have used here to find out the GCD, the same approach we will be following to write the program. Okay, so here, as you can see here, n1 is 24 and n2 is 30. Okay, so now first we need to set I value, I equals to 1 and I equals to 1. So what we can do is we will check from the value of I to 24, what are those numbers which completely divide the number 24 without leaving any remainder. Okay, so 1 to I is less than or equals to 24, 1 equals to I equals to 1 to I is less than or equals to 30. Okay, so one by one, with each and every number starting from 1 to 24, I need to check whether that number completely divide 24 without leaving any remainder, and I need to do the same thing for 30. So let us say, start here. For I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 24, and I is less than or equals to 30, I plus plus. Okay, then I will check if if n1 means 24. Okay, if 24 mod I is 1 now, is equals to 0. Yes, this will give 0 as the reminder, and 30 mod 1 is equals to 0. Yes, this also gives 0 as the reminder. That means both of these numbers are giving 0 as the reminder, so we'll store this value of 1 inside the GCD. Okay, now the GCD has the value 1 for the value of I equals to 1. Next, I value gets incremented by 1. Now I becomes 2. Okay, for the value of I equals to 2, condition gets checked here. 2 is less than equals to 4. Yes. 2 is less than equals to 30. Yes. Control will come inside the for loop to check for this condition. 24 mod 2 and 30 mod 2. Yes, I can divide 24 and 30, both of these numbers, with the number 2 without leaving any remainder. So control will come inside the if. Now the GCD value gets changed to 2. Now 2 gets stored inside GCD. Okay, next I gets incremented by 1. Now I becomes 3. Okay, for the value of I equals to 3, condition gets checked here. Yes, 3 is less than equals to 4 and 3 is less than equals to 30. Control will come inside the for loop to check for this condition. 24 mod 3 and 30 mod 3. Yes, I can divide 24 and 30, both of this number, with the number 3 without leaving any reminder. So now this I, okay, so this value is I. Okay, so now 3 gets pass to GCD. Now GCD becomes 3. Next, I gets incremented by 1. Now I becomes 4. 4 is less than or equals to 24. Yes. 4 is less than or equals to 30. Yes. Condition gets true, and control will come inside the for to check for this condition. 24 mod 4. Yes. I can divide 24 by 4 without leaving any reminder, and 30 by 4. Okay. 30 by 4. No. Okay, so this 30 mod 4 will give me reminder. So that's why now one of this condition is getting satisfied, but another condition is not getting satisfied. That's why control will not come inside the if. Then control will come outside the if block to increment the value of I 1 to 1. Okay, now I becomes 4. Now GCD is 3 only. So for the value of I, sorry, now I value becomes 5. Okay, for the value of I equals to 5, 5 is less than equals to 24. Yes. 5 is less than equals to 30. Yes. Control will come inside the for loop to check for this condition. 24 mod 5. Now this becomes 5, and this also becomes 5. Okay. Now I cannot divide 24 by 5. This will give me a reminder, but this will not give me the reminder. Okay, so when I perform 30 mod 5, I will not get any reminder. I will get 0 as the reminder. But here you can see this condition is not getting satisfied, and this condition is getting satisfied. That's why control will not come inside the if, it will come outside the if. Now again I value gets incremented by 1, and now I becomes 6. For the value of I equals to 6, 6 is less than equals to 24. Yes. 6 is less than equals to 30. Yes. Then control will come inside the for to check for this condition. 24 mod 6 and 30 mod 6. Okay. Yes. Now if I perform 24 mod 6, I will get 0 as the reminder. When I perform 30 mod 6, I will get 0 as the reminder. So that's why both of these conditions is getting true. That's why control will come here inside the if. Now the GCD value gets changed to 6. Okay, like this it will check with each and every value of I starting from 1 to 24 and 1 to 30. So after the value of 6, it will not find any other value which divide both of these numbers 24 and 30. So that's why it will be the GCD. Okay, so this is how this entire program works. Okay, so I will use this logic to write the C program. Now we need to declare the variables int n1 n2, then GCD, clear screen. Then I need to ask this message to the user, enter two numbers, semicolon, then scanf %d ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. Okay, next I need to write this logic. Yes, next I need to just print this value GCD, then return 0, and then close the bracket. Okay, so this is how you can write a C program to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood this program. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.